How to fix no internet connection problem on Messenger. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First thing first, if you are being shown the no internet connection problem while surfing your Messenger, the first thing you need to make sure is that your Wi-Fi connection is very strong, either that's your mobile data or your actual Wi-Fi. Now for the second step, head over to your Play Store, then type in Messenger. Here make sure you see open instead of update. If you see update, tap onto update and update your app. For the next step, head over to your settings, scroll all the way below, and then you will see the option of apps. Open it. Here, search for Messenger. Tap on Messenger. Scroll below, then tap on Storage. Clear the cache. If you remember your credentials of Messenger like your username and password, you may also go ahead and tap on Clear Data and delete the data. Once done, come back onto App Info page, tap on Force Stop, then OK. Likewise, once you do all this, restart your device, then open your Messenger again, get logged into your account, and this shall work. If it's still not working, then you have to uninstall Messenger, reinstall again from your Play Store or App Store, then this shall work. Thank you all for watching, and we will catch you up in our next upload.